Hello and welcome to All Out Logan, and today I have a big grand finale of where some of the cars will be eaten by this. But first I want to go on about that I've just had a birthday and I got some money and them cars and them toys over there.
Okay.
So let's begin with the unboxing. This is a Batman one from the Arkham Knight Batmobile. So it's an Arkham Knight Batmobile. So that can go with my other 7 Batman cars. This one's cool. It's the Arkham Knight Batmobile out the box.
There you go.
Next up, we have the Davensator. Don't know how to say it. Davensator.
Let's have a look. You got it right.
So let's begin unboxing this one. And also, if you look on the back, this one has a special ability. This bit can move up and down.
Okay.
I'll show you when it's out the box.
And you got another car that does that.
Yeah, I've got quite a few of them that do that. Something a bit more different from my YouTube channels.
And first.
I want to go in order.
Okay.
Something a bit different from my channel. Cars Ramone.
Wow.
I tried to get the Union Jack Ramone, but they didn't have it. In like every single shop what we went in, they didn't have one.
That's the one off Cars 2, isn't it?
I don't remember. I think that they could have just made that Ramone up, actually. I think that's like the 10th Ramone I've got so far. I don't know how many Ramones I've got, but it's quite a lot of them. And it even has
Rally Mexico.
the Mexican and the United States flag on it.
Yeah.
Now it's time for the 5-pack.
5-pack Legends. Oh, X-Racers.
And guess what? Daddy normally says that I've like got it. Oh look, them 2 are cars what I've got. But only not got it. So it's only that one what I've got.
Okay.
And that one has 2 special abilities. This one is called Flash Drive. And that one also has a moving up and down thing. Just like this one.
Yeah.
This is like the only one that I've got in this 5-pack. And this one, you know when I said it had 2 special abilities? And
Oh. Now it's naked.
I'm really excited for this truck, and it is called Rigstorm. Rigstorm.
Have they got any special abilities?
No.
Who's next?
Paddle the Metal.
Oh, pedal to the metal.
No, Pedal the Metal. Pedal the Metal.
Wow.
I actually thought that one could have had a special ability, but it doesn't. I thought that bit could go off, but it doesn't. It doesn't actually. I thought that one could have had a special ability. Just looked like a special ability car. Ooh, this one is called. It actually doesn't say what it's called on this one. This one actually doesn't say what it is.
Well, we'll find out later, won't we?
Yeah. Because I have got a. Where is it? Where is it? Ah, there it is. This book. So I could look this. So I could look that up in the book. As I promised with the grand finale. This thing could only eat 3 cars. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. I don't want the bacon. Nom. And now, aha, he can just fit in. Rigstorm can just fit in. Don't go to put Ramone in the other side.
I think you're
It's
going.
too big. I mean, no.
So that holds 5 cars.
Yeah.
Eats 3 and stores 2. Very good.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell. Bye.